I'm Dave and I've been a professional karate instructor since 1979. We're here in my karate school in Grimsby. I was 18 when I first started training at a local karate club. I remember the very first grading I did because it was with one of the world's top Japanese masters. Every grade meant, at that time, felt like a major achievement, and each grade was, to me, it was a big step. Karate has to be done as a whole. We have three major disciplines. We have the basics, the Kihon, the kata, which is several movements varying in length and difficulty against imaginary opponents, so they're blocks and kicks. And then we have the kumite, which is the free fighting. It's changed me mentally and physically over the years. It's made me a lot more confident, a lot stronger. It builds an inner mental strength. Having healthy joints is very important in karate. There are common signs that you need a knee replacement, and I was starting to show them all. It was getting more difficult to demonstrate kicks and stances. There was a restriction on the mobility of the knee, and it was also painful. I think it would have been a case of handing down the teaching to one of my instructors and maybe just walking around supervising classes but not actually being able to do much, and that would have been a dreadful end. I spoke with a friend who recently had a knee replacement, and he told me he'd been at university with Mike Edwards, who's now one of the UK's top orthopaedic surgeons. Mike, being a black belt himself, he understood exactly my requirements. He was very easygoing, very easy to speak with, and he explained the specific joint that he fitted, and it's the LCS rotating platform. It gives you the ability to rotate. I don't think people realise the knee rotates. So as soon as he explained that joint as opposed to a static joint, that was the only one I wanted. I was very impressed with Thornbury Hospital, the whole experience from the first consultation to the actual operation, and the care by the nurses and the staff was first class. The efficiency and the timing, everything was very efficient and spot on time-wise. The aftercare was very efficient. If I was given an appointment, say 2 p.m, I was in at 2 p.m. I'm at almost 6 months now. Next week it'll be 6 months. I'm teaching without any problems at all. I can demonstrate stances, I can kick as high as I used to, I can kick with the same precision I used to be able to do. This has given me a new lease of life. It really has surprised me, like it surprised Mike. I think he's delighted in the outcome just as much as I am.